Welcome to the demo of Ticket Generator. Ticket Generator is an easy way to implement smart ticketing for your events. Ticket Generator helps you sell, create, distribute, and validate event tickets without burning a hole in your event budget. In this demo, we will cover how you can set up event ticketing with the Ticket Generator application. We will also explore the Ticket Validator app that is used at the point of entry to check tickets. Let's get started. First, visit ticket-generator.com and sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is easy. Create an account using your email, Google, or Apple login. Once you're verified, you'll be redirected to the Ticket Generator dashboard. Note that the free account allows you to try the product without the need to enter any credit card details. Plus, you get 10 free ticket credits to better test the product. So this is your Ticket Generator dashboard. Here you can access all the sections of the product, such as Create Event, Manage Tickets, Analytics, from the sidebar navigation on the left. Now to get started, the first step is to create an event. Click on Create New Event in the Manage Event section. You'll need to first provide some basic event details, such as the event name, dates, timing, and venue. Once this is done, you'll need to provide more details of the tickets. For example, is the event free or are the tickets paid? You need to choose this option. You also get the option to add ticket categories. For example, you may want to categorize your tickets as standard and VIP, or as silver, gold, and platinum. Here's where you can create the categories and provide details of each. If you don't need to categorize your tickets, simply keep the default category and skip this option. That's it. Your event will get created and we can proceed to the next step. Let's now go to the event dashboard first. Click on the event in the Manage Event section. This is where you can manage the event and take all actions related to the event. You'll notice there are tabs for each major subsection: Event Details, Ticket Design, Event Page, Guest Tickets, and Analytics. You can head to the tab based on the action you want to take. Let's go to the Ticket Design section first. You can use this option to customize the look and content of the ticket of this event. By default, a standard ticket is already designed for you. You can customize the look of this ticket by clicking on Edit Design. You get the option to add background color or image and a brand logo. You can also use some pre-designed templates to make it easier. Now, if you'd like to use your own ticket design, you have that option as well. Click on Upload Own Design. Here you get a simple editor where you can upload your ticket design and make customizations. Note that each ticket will have a unique QR code and ticket code. This is a security feature, and we'll talk more about this later in the video. If you upload your own design, you will need to place both the QR code and ticket code somewhere on the ticket. Now with Ticket Generator, you also have the option to add unique information on each ticket. This could be the guest name, seat number, hall number, payment reference code, etc. We call this variable information, and you can add up to 5 such data fields. You get this option in both standard and upload your own ticket designs. During ticket design, you simply need to specify how many data points you want to add. Say you add 2, that is, guest name and company name. You'll need to provide this data in later steps for each guest. This ensures that each ticket is unique and personalized to the guest. Once you've finalized ticket design, let's now explore the Event Page option. This is the second tab. Using the Event Page option, you can set up a landing page for your event and get registrations. If your event has paid tickets, you can also set up payments integration. Note that if you already know your guest list and simply want to generate and send tickets, you can completely skip this option. If you do want an event page, click on Set up Event Page. The first step is to add the content that you want on the page. You'll see multiple data fields, banner images, event subheading, event descriptions, event guide, organizer contact details, There are options to customize the registration form fields and register button as well. Note that event details will automatically be pulled from the details we provided when we first created the event. Once you've customized the content of the page, move to the next step. Here you're required to configure settings related to the event and registrations. Most are straightforward, and there is detailed information where needed. If your event has paid tickets, this is where you'll need to link a payment account. Note that first you'll need to set up a payment account from the settings section. Using Ticket Generator, you can connect your own payment gateway, for example Stripe or PayPal, and receive ticket payments directly in your own account. Note that Ticket Generator does not accept ticket payments on your behalf, and hence doesn't charge any commissions on ticket sales. This makes Ticket Generator extremely affordable as you're charged only for the ticket volume and not based on ticket price. Once you've configured the settings, click on Generate Link. Your event page is ready. You can use the test registration link to test the page and registration flow. You can view and approve registrations, that is, people who have registered from the Registrations tab. Once you're ready to promote your event, use the live registration link. If needed, you can even customize this link with your own brand domain. If you need help with setting up an event page, feel free to reach out to our support team. The link is in the description. Note that when guests successfully register for the event and their registration is approved, they'll automatically receive the tickets via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Let's see the Guest Tickets tab. With Ticket Generator, you also have the option to manually download or send the tickets. You can choose to download or send the ticket one by one or in bulk. Let's try the bulk option. In Guest Tickets, click on the New Tickets option and then Bulk Tickets. You'll see two options, Generate and Download, and Generate and Send. Let's try the Generate and Send option as it's more popular. You'll need to send tickets by category if you've set that up. Choose the category of the ticket first. Then, choose the delivery channels. You can select multiple options. You'll then need to provide the contact details and variable information for each ticket. You can do this either by uploading a data file in CSV or Excel format, or by entering the data directly into a table on the screen. Note that variable information columns will only appear if you've configured it in Ticket Design. You also get the option to modify the email or WhatsApp content. If it all looks good, you can then proceed to send the tickets. Note that you'll need enough ticket credits to execute this operation. Ensure that you buy the required credits beforehand from the billing section. One ticket needs 1 credit. Now that you've set up the event and tickets, let's head back to the event details section. You can view a summary of important event details here. If your event size is large, you also have the option to add event coordinators. You can invite them by email. Both the administrator of the account and invited coordinators can validate the tickets at the point of entry. To validate tickets, you'll need the Ticket Validator mobile app. This is available for free on both App Store and Google Play Store. Administrators and coordinators can simply log into the Ticket Validator mobile app, choose the event, and start scanning the QR code on each ticket. The app will tell them if the ticket is valid, duplicate, or invalid. We have a separate detailed video on how to use the Ticket Validator app. The link is in the description. Note that in case you don't want to download the Ticket Validator mobile app, you can also use the web version on a mobile browser. Say now your event has successfully ended and your team has validated tickets at the point of entry. You can now head over to the analytics section of the event and see insightful data. This data can help you understand the success of this event as well as what you need to do to make the next one better. You can track data points related to event page and registrations, tickets you've generated, attendance, and finally security risks mitigated. You can also export this data both at ticket level and in aggregate. We will also quickly mention the Ticket Generator API. In case you have your own event booking platform or app, and you want to integrate ticketing, you can use the API. This can generate and send tickets in real time to your registered guests. Note that you'll still need to use the Ticket Validator mobile app to validate these tickets. The API documentation link is here, and you can try out the possible options. That's about it. This was a broad overview of Ticket Generator. In case you need help with setting up your event, you can always reach out to the support team. Head over to the support section and you'll see multiple options, both self-service as well as chat, email, and phone options. Our team is super helpful and can give you a personalized walkthrough based on your specific requirements. That's it. Hope you found the video helpful. Again, you can use the helpful links in the description to get started. This is Ticket Generator, the easiest way to set up event ticketing.